patented bike up here can set you up with all the parts you need to totally reproduce the bicycle you lost in Santa Cruz last Thursday. As ice spikes with several locations scattered throughout.
These are the great Northern California outdoors, the Redwoods. These are the Redwoods. One of them falls on you, it could kill you.
Nature of the Redwood Park acts as insulation wrapped around the tree to help protect it from the heat of a forest fire. You just tear up, whatever. Kind of hard to come up with I shall be coming through the train.
This is actual footage of the great Northern California outdoors. Those are the Redwoods. One of them falls, they can kill you.
We've reached the Santa Cruz. Disappeared. But look, they're back.
Oh, yeah. This is actual footage of the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. There is no limit from the sky to the sea.